Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a straightforward guide on how to withdraw USDT from Crypto.com to Robinhood in 2025. Whether you're building your investment portfolio or just moving funds around, this process is simpler than you might think. By the end of this video, you'll have all the steps you need to do it securely and efficiently. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have accounts set up on both Crypto.com and Robinhood. You'll also need sufficient USDT in your Crypto.com wallet and the exact wallet address from Robinhood. Always double-check everything to avoid any costly mistakes. Crypto transactions are irreversible. Step 1. Log into your Crypto.com account. Head over to the Wallets section and select USDT from your list of assets. Once you're there, click on the Withdraw button. You'll be prompted to choose a withdrawal method. For this, we're going with a blockchain transfer since Robinhood supports it. Next, on Robinhood, go to your crypto section and find your USDT wallet address. Copy this address carefully. It's super important to get it right. Back on Crypto.com, paste that address into the withdrawal form, enter the amount of USDT you want to transfer, and review any fees involved. In 2025, network fees might vary based on blockchain congestion, so keep an eye on that. Before you confirm, verify the details one more time. Hit Confirm to initiate the transfer. Depending on the network, this could take anywhere from a few minutes to an hour. Once it's done, log back into Robinhood and check your USDT balance to ensure everything arrived safely. A quick tip: always use two-factor authentication on both platforms to protect your assets. Also, remember that withdrawing to an exchange like Robinhood might have its own rules, so familiarize yourself with their policies. That's it for the steps. By following this guide, you'll be transferring USDT like a pro in no time. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more crypto tips, and hit that notification bell. Got questions? Drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and happy trading. See you in the next video.